Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make white flashing effect. But before starting, you need Sapphire FX plugin to make this effect. So, we put our video in our video track. We need to cut out a small piece from our video. So we split our video from two places with S button on our keyboard. And we delete the middle part. Now we are going to apply our effect to our video. To make it happen, we need to find S-Globe from VideoFX. We drag the effect onto our first video part. First thing we gotta do is to open timeline. Then we click the timeline button of brightness section and make the amount 0 for the first keyframe. Before continue, don't forget to enable sync cursor feature from the bottom left. Now we put our cursor to the edge point. We go 6 frames back and put a keyframe to that point. Then we drag our cursor back to the edge and make the amount 5 for that point. We are done with the first part. For the second part of the video, we need to drag S-Globe on it again. We open our timeline. For the first frame, we need to enter the same amount with the first part, so we enter 5 to that keyframe. Now we will go 6 frames forward and make the amount 0 for that point. And we are done with the second part too, and our effect is ready. I hope you like it. See you in the next tutorial.